Welcome back. Now, it's important to note what Google's position is on AI generated content as of the recording of this video. And if you look for a document in your favorite search engine for Google's help document called Creating Helpful, Reliable, and People First Content, created in February of 2023, and by reading this document, you'll be able to determine whether the content you're generating in specific chatbots will assist you in having your website seen in the search engines. And this is a helpful document to understand because Google is looking for quality. It's also looking for expertise. It's looking for pages that keep individuals engaged. And its algorithm is trying to detect whether the content is people first or search engine first. Now, there are specifics as to how to go about creating this kind of content. And again, it's going to be helpful to read through this document even as you use chatbots in order to assist you in your content creation. Specifically, Google states that it will reward high quality content however it is produced, even if it is produced by AI. It also states definitively that appropriate use of AI or automation is not against Google's guidelines. However, you will want to be aware of poor quality content and anything that looks or sounds like misinformation. So these two documents on Google's Search Central website will give you insight on how Google will be looking at AI generated content and how you can use it in order to rank your website in the search engines. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.